In this space, I will be working on houseplants. I enjoyed being outdoors, putting in the ranunculus. If you haven't seen it yet, but let's review a few of our plants. We have the hyacinth. I know I showed this before, but look how cute. We're popped open. This one's going to be the blue one. It's actually called the Peter Stuyvesant. And the white one, actually called the Carnegie. And it's a little bit behind, but they sit in my windowsill over here and they do a good job getting lots of sun and moisture. Also have our February planter, which is absolutely lovely. We had a few new blooms recently, and the Swiss chard is holding up very well, and the curly kale also. The lettuce is a little bit warm in here for that, but I think it still looks super, super great. And I enjoy it. I enjoy the red, and this red brings out the red from this plant right here. It looks so good, and it's been appropriate water. It's doing great. So the ones I want to put together are for my piano. I'm going to use again some terrarium plants. This one, bring out some of the purple, and again they like a lot of water. This one is the purple passion plant. I think the velvety purple is absolutely stunning. I have this one getting ready to bloom, has a few blooms on it. This one is the white and Fittonia, has a few blooms on it, so I wanted to grab that one when I saw it. And this is all the same water requirements, and this one is the purple waffle plant. And I have one with a broader leaf in the other planter that I did. Looks great. So all three can fit in here, plus they are the same water. I'll pop out the bottom so that we can drain. And then over here, what a beautiful fern. I did not want regular fern. I did want a fern. If it came regular, that's okay. Regular meaning standing straight up. This one is a black rabbit's foot fern. Look at it says exotic angel. Look at the way it falls over the planter. So I do enjoy how these they'll coordinate. This one's darker than the other one. They're going to sit like this on the piano. I have an antique piano, rustic kind of as well. I think these will look great. And this one especially with the ferns draping over, so beautiful. I'm going to be using some potting soil that I have left over and needing to use up. So this is a perfect time to do that. I have a real big root base in the fern. I'm going to try to manipulate that root. Pop this all out. Okay, and grab this one. It's put together real nice, holding firm. And I feel like I need a little bit more at the base. And then, let's see if it fits in well. Oh, that's perfect. And it just kind of was a little bit too wide with the actual original base on it, with the original planter that it came with. And this will fit super, super perfect. I'll press it down. I've kept this one nice and wet. Easy, so, so pretty. Our next one. Try to keep it clean while I'm working with it. Okay, let's put these 3 in. We'll see how. Now these come with their own actual container, so they can look cute on your office desk. These I got at Lowe's. Add a little bit more. Nice roots. Pack it around so that all the way around the plant it's some dirt instead of running into the wall. This one I did water recently. Its best side is right here, so we're going to put that out first. It says bright light. All 3 of them. Lots of water, lots of light. I'll just put a tray underneath both of these. Put them on the piano. I think they'll look gorgeous together. Aren't they cute? Of course, wiping them off. So do some house plants. Do something that grows. Enjoy the season even though it's dark outside. Follow for more.